Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook posts on different issues. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create Facebook post on farming niche. You can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill offline market. You can contact farmers and agriculture institutions and ask them about your services, or you can go to google.com and search website related to farming and tell them that you can maintain the social media presence or Facebook presence, and they will surely hire you. So it is very easy skill to learn, and you can easily learn this skill in 2 to 3 minutes. So we are on canva.com. If you don't know about Canva is one of the best graphic designing software tool available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. It is easy to learn. You can easily learn this software. So if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section, and here I upload a complete playlist on Canva designing. And after watching the playlist, you will surely know everything about Canva. So I click on create a design. Here I search Facebook post and I choose Facebook post square. It is the mostly used Facebook post format. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed. So I search here farming, and there are different templates available. So I think this one is good. After that, we are going to change the photo. So this image is good. Now we have to change the element. We have to add some elements, graphics, like this one. We can also change the username, like farming. It is just a dummy username. You can choose as according to your client's requirement. So that's it. Our post is ready. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.